Hey there. I've had a lot of people asking me, how do we submit assignments? I want to make sure that this process is as easy as possible so that we can keep focusing on the engineering and the other skills that we're trying to develop. So I'm putting together this little video for you on how to do it. So this is one of our very first assignments that we have here, isometric sketching assignment. This assignment was actually made up of using another web program, taking pictures of the work that you did, and then submitting it. So here's where we begin. The first thing to know is that they put the submit assignment button all the way at the top. I'm not a huge fan of how they do that because personally to me it seems like it's in an odd location, but it's up here. You're not going to find it down at the bottom where I would have expected to see it. So when you're ready, click submit assignment. Okay. Now it opens up a text box down at the bottom. Again, I think it's a little nonsense that it goes from the top to the bottom, but I don't design the program, we're just using it. Now that we have it, I can click choose file. And at this point, I can choose the picture that I've already saved. Now, there are a couple different ways to save pictures because we're going to be doing a lot of screenshots. The first thing you can use is you can use a tool called the snipping tool. To use the snipping tool, you just go to the bottom of your screen and you type in the word snipping tool. And it will pop up with a board that looks something like this. This is really easy to use. You just click new, then you highlight whatever it is you want to take a picture of, and then you can click the save icon right there and save it somewhere, and then you have it. So that's one option. Now for some people that may feel like a lot of steps. Another option is on your keyboard you can press the Windows key and print screen. I don't know how to do it on a Mac. I don't trust those things. But we can do it on a Windows computer. If you have a Mac, you're going to have to Google how to do it with the Mac on your own, okay? So anyway, we have a file now. Now when I click choose file, I come in and a window appears. Now I go in here to pictures, and depending on where I saved it, I might have a camera roll, I might have saved pictures, I might have downloaded it. You really need to learn to pay attention to where you downloaded it. I can't make a video because it's different for everyone. But for most people, if you're using Windows and you do a screenshot, go to pictures, and there in screenshots you'll find it. Double click it again, and it'll say right here screenshot1.png. If you want to add another file, you can. If you want to add some comments, hey Mr. Quinn, whatever didn't quite work right, so I did this, so be it. And then you just click submit assignment. That's all there is to submitting assignment in Canvas. This is just one option. Now if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how we submit assignments two other ways. The second way that you can submit assignment is, let's take a look at this assignment, our test and iterate, and up here there's resubmit. So first thing you need to know is that if it says resubmit, that means you can resubmit with no penalties. I sometimes allow students to submit multiple times in case they make changes. I see all the submissions, okay? None of them get deleted. Even if you can't see them, I see them. It keeps track of them. Please try not to submit more than 2 or 3 times though, because that kind of clutters up my box, okay? So I'm going to click resubmit, and sometimes I need a text entry. And so right here there is a text entry that we can use. And when there's a text entry, we just come up and we read, well, what are the questions? Generally speaking, when you see questions on an assignment and they're in blue, that means I want you to copy those, highlight, Control C, come down here, and then paste them in. Then I want you to answer them, okay? How accurate was the device? The device we tested wasn't very accurate, and so forth, and answer those questions. Once you're done, you click submit assignment, and then it will have submitted a text box entry for you. And again, I have all that information there. Here's the last way that you might have to submit an assignment, and it's actually using a discussion board. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at one of our first things where students were practicing some sketching and giving each other feedback. So here's the instructions and here's the assignment. Now this one, unlike the other one, there's a reply button down here. And so when you click reply, then this screen pops up. Now this doesn't have a whole lot of options with it because it is meant to be a discussion board. So most of the time what you're going to find is that we're just answering questions or things like that. But occasionally I might decide that I need you to upload a picture or a video or something like that so that people can see what you're doing. Right here in the middle is this record upload media button. That button right there will record whatever you need it to. You just have to make sure that you give the computer permission. So when you click it, a lot of times this box will pop up here and it says, do you want to allow it or block it? Well, you need to click allow, okay? Once you've clicked allow, a video will pop up right there, and I can go upload media, and I can select a file or I can record media, and I can turn on the webcam, and we're going to have that. It's not going to work right now because I've got my own webcam working, but it'll pop up. You click start recording, and everything will pop in here, and then you'll go. Questions? All right, and if you don't like it, you can just click start over, and it will go again. That's how we submit all of our things. Hopefully this makes sense to you. Hopefully you find it fairly easy. If you have any issues, please, as always, contact me and I'll find a time when we can get together and make sure it works. I don't want students struggling because they can't turn in an assignment. Let's focus on the engineering. Thank you guys and have a great day.